This is the Lively Mobile by Greatcall. This is the space where the lanyard connects. This is the lanyard. And this is the clip. If you're looking at it from the side, you can see this part goes right into this space. So all you want to do is line it up and it snaps right on. It'll look like this after it's connected. So even if you're putting it on this way, if you're looking at it from this, you're going to make sure this piece is showing. It slides right on. If you have to place it down, when you're placing it down, you want to lay this on the flat surface. Then you take the device and snap it right on. There's different ways you can put it on, but just make sure that when you do put it on, it's facing this way. If you're trying to put it on like this or like this, it's not going to go through. It has to be facing this way. Okay, I hope that was as detailed as possible.